Hey everyone, this is Yogesh from Online Marketing. I want to congratulate you of taking an action and coming over and watch this video. So it tells me a little bit about yourself. You're open-minded and you're action-oriented, which is great. So before you get going on taking advantage of this free done-for-you business, all need about a couple of minutes of your time, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this page, what to look for so you don't miss anything. So the first thing, if you look at the either right or the left side of this video, there are extra bonuses that is for you to take advantage of. Anybody who signs with ClickFunnels, these are the bonuses that you can take advantage of it, and I want you to take advantage of it. So that's first. The second is for the person, if you're like me and you like when other people do all the hard work. Why? Because it's less stressful, it's way easier, and you get the things done in shortest period of time. So if you are that person, there's coaching available for you. So if you look at the bottom of this page, there's a coaching call where I sit down with you one-on-one for an hour, up to an hour, and we get this business up and running in the shortest time as possible within a day or so. So if you want to take advantage of that, click that button and see what is this all about. And if you like it, go ahead and then I'll see you. If you went ahead with the coaching, I'll see you. We'll sit down, we'll talk, and we'll get this business going. Now for the other person, if you want to just go ahead by yourself and get this business going, great, no problem. Just scroll down and get going. And also there's a button for you guys also, so you can connect with me on the Facebook Messenger and ask me any question if there's any roadblock while you're doing any training and all that. So click that button, connect with me, and we'll go from there. Now the other thing I want to tell you about is the passive income. That's what we are all looking for, making income 24 hours online in this digital era and all that. So if you look at the background of my video, right on the top is all there. You see the income, what a person. This is one of the person who's doing really well with the ClickFunnels, and this is their income within a week or so. So what they're able to get within a week or so. So and it's a friend of mine, and that right now he's dream car winner, so you'll know more about it if you go through the training and all that. So I just want to give you an example. So on Tuesday, April 10th, he made about $311. Monday, he didn't do anything. He made nothing, zero. Sunday is about $77. Saturday about 116. Friday 155. Thursday about 85. And so far Wednesday, when I was doing this video, it's $240. So this is a typical earning of the person, when he just started with the ClickFunnels, and now he's a dream car winner. So I just wanted to give you an idea of the income potential. Now below of this video, there's also, I've written down, explained all the income potential, that what are you able to make and all that. So if you want to read that, it's there for you. You can read it anytime you want it. So while closing this video, all I want you to tell you is, go ahead, take an action. Whatever you do, take an action. Either go down, get going by yourself and ask for help, or take my help where I do all the hard work and you get the results within the shortest time as possible. So good luck to you, and let's get going.